Hello everyone, and welcome to Mega CS Vision. In this lecture, we continue our course, Computer Fundamentals, with the topic, Evolution of Computers. We will explore early calculating devices, the transition from electromechanical to electronic computers, and the major generations that shaped modern computing. This lecture builds on our previous introduction to computers, showing how technology has evolved over centuries. Early calculating devices. The history of computers begins with simple mechanical devices. The abacus, developed in ancient times, was used for basic arithmetic. Napier's bones allowed multiplication and division using rods. Pascaline, invented by Blaise Pascal, was an early mechanical calculator. Charles Babbage conceptualized the analytical engine, a programmable mechanical computer that laid the foundation for modern computing. Electromechanical computers. Electromechanical computers used electrical switches and mechanical components. Devices like the Harvard Mark I combined mechanical gears with electrical relays to perform calculations faster than purely mechanical machines. Punch cards were used for input, allowing some automation and programmability. Transition to electronic computers. The transition from electromechanical to electronic computers marked a revolution. Vacuum tubes replaced mechanical switches, enabling faster processing. Later, transistors further reduced size, increased speed, and improved reliability, paving the way for modern computers. First-generation computers, 1940 to 1956. First-generation computers used vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. They were enormous, consumed a lot of power, and generated heat. Programming was done in machine language, and jobs were processed in batches. Second-generation computers, 1956 to 1963. Second-generation computers replaced vacuum tubes with transistors, which were smaller, more reliable, and generated less heat. Assembly language was used for programming, making software development easier compared to machine language. Third-generation computers, 1964 to 1971. Third-generation computers used integrated circuits, ICs, to pack more components into smaller space. They supported multi-programming and time-sharing, improving efficiency and performance while reducing cost and size. Fourth-generation computers, 1971 to present. Fourth-generation computers are powered by microprocessors, integrating thousands of transistors on a single chip. This generation introduced personal computers, graphical user interfaces, and networking, revolutionizing computing accessibility. Fifth-generation computers, present and beyond. Fifth-generation computers focus on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing. They incorporate parallel processing, quantum computing research, and advanced robotics to solve complex problems beyond conventional computing. Timeline of major milestones. The evolution of computers is marked by significant milestones. The abacus in ancient times, Pascaline in 1642, Charles Babbage's analytical engine in 1837, ENIAC in 1945, UNIVAC in 1951, the IBM PC in 1981, and now modern AI and cloud computing. Each milestone represents technological advancements that shaped the future of computing. Importance of generational development. Each generation of computers brought improvements in speed, size reduction, increased reliability, programming advances, and greater accessibility. Understanding these developments helps us appreciate how computing technology evolved to meet modern needs. In this lecture, we explored the evolution of computers, from early calculating devices to fifth-generation technologies like AI and quantum computing. We saw the major milestones and the improvements brought by each generation. In our next lecture, we will study the classification and organization of computers, including analog, digital, and hybrid systems, as well as CPU architecture and block diagrams. Stay tuned to Mega CS Vision for more insights into computer fundamentals. If you have any suggestions or doubts, feel free to share them in the comments below.